If you are not an artist, you have no business having a nickname on any social media platform. Because a nickname is not readable and not respectable in certain rooms. It is not. Absolutely not. You see. And then, apart from the name, there are some things that, for example, she wrote things like, I am a motivational speaker and things like that. I said, look, the work that you do and the things that you do, if you write there that you are a youth policy expert, if somebody from the UK or from Germany or from the United States, if they read African youth policy expert or a Cameroonian youth policy expert, they will have a perfect understanding and read you not from a local setting, but with a global perspective. And they can work with you faster than you writing certain kind of, popular phrasing that makes you feel good. You get the point? So I'm trying to give an example of how many people, because of they have not done the right self-inventory of themselves, or they have not awakened to certain key things in what they're doing, they do things that distracts or distorts how people can read them and respect them and see the need to invite them on certain platforms because they are not readable and they don't have what makes them respectable in that global setting. Why? Because their identity is imprisoned. Their identity is driven by local patterns that do not command that global acceptance.